Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to recover deleted photos posts on your Instagram. For example, if you delete a photo or post on your Instagram and you want to recover it, then there are two methods. The first method is that if you put that into archive, and if you restore that post or photo, then you will find that in archive. If you delete that photo or post, for example, if I am going to delete that post, then how I can recover that post? Then here you can see I have deleted my post. Now if I want to recover that post, then here you can see there is no option to restore or get back that photos or post. But if I again click on profile and click on three lines, then here will be option of your activity, so you have to click on that. Here if you scroll down, then you will find the option of recently deleted. Then here you will find all of your deleted photos and posts. So if you want to recover that, you can just simply recover it from here, but make sure that that photo or post has 30 days of after deletion, so you can restore that photos or post only which has less than 30 days past. So here I am going to restore that photo which I deleted recently. So I am going to click on three dots. After that, here will be option of restore, so you have to click on that. After that, they are saying if you delete it from your profile, then it will be again to your profile. If you have restored into your archive, then it will go into your archive. So I am going to click on restore. After clicking on restore, as you can see, that photo has been restored on my profile. Now if I want to see that profile of that photo, what I have to do, I have to simply close the Instagram and close the all apps and open the Instagram again. Then I will see that that photo has been restored. If you see here, then you can easily find that photo in my profile. As you can see, that photo has been restored. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe my channel.